GM Bitcoin traders. Bitcoin is sitting at the middle of nowhere. Do not diddle in the middle. This is what I always say. So from here, we could go literally anywhere. So we either could go there or we could go there. You have the two paths in front of you. Let me explain. This is going to be the bullish one. This is going to be the bearish one. And yes, it's 50-50. I'm not tripping. I'm not saying, oh, it's going up or maybe it's going down. I'm not tripping. We're just in the middle. So anything can happen in the middle. However, there are some signs for you to know which path is likely in play. And no, it's not the red nor the green. How could you add confluence to know which path is likely? The thing is, you need to watch the micro support and resistances. So here, what you see in front of you is this. This micro resistance within the little micro range that we see. This micro support. So how would you know which path are we going? The green or the red? If Bitcoin fails to hold this circle in here, yes, we're going to that level. If Bitcoin holds it, then we're meant to go back to the red circle first. If we reclaim the red circle and we hold above it, then yes, we're going to go to the red box. As simple as that. Okay? It's very simple. Yes, we're diddling in the middle right now. Yes, it's in the middle of nowhere. But there are signs where we're going. The first sign, if we're gonna go breaking down, we're gonna lose this green circle. The second sign is what? If you want it to go up, is we reclaim this. So if we reclaim this area, except above it, we could go with the green path. However, if we fail to hold the green circle in here, that means we're gonna go to the green box. And by the way, some people said, "Oh, it's just lines on a chart. It's technical analysis. Technical analysis is worthless." Blah blah blah. Dude, listen. I'm not putting some random circles on a chart. Okay, I'm not saying, "Oh, look at this line, guys. You see, this line is very important." I'm not doing this. This is not what I'm doing. Why am I saying this area is important? It's not fucking random circle on a chart. Okay, it is an area where we have orders sitting here. So we have buy orders sitting here and we have sell orders sitting there. Just as simple as that. So basically, I'm laying out for you the most probable buy and sell areas to form a confluence. It's not random. It's not like I'm doing this and say, oh my god, this trend line must hold, guys. This is yes. This random line on a chart. This is technical analysis, BS, 101, scammy, all of that. But this is meaningful. It's not a normal circle on a chart. It is an area where we have limit buy orders. It is here, this one is an area where we have limit sell orders. All right. So far, we're sitting in the middle. Wait for us to lose this area to go lower, or wait for this area to be reclaimed. You could scalp it both ways. You could long here, short there, and vice versa, just as a scalp with very, very tight risk. Do not risk so much. It's just a little move, so do not risk that much. Do not get yourself blown up in this move. Just try to manage your risk and scalp it back and forth until it stops working. Okay? That's it. If you're looking at the weekly, we're sitting at a very important level still, but still in the middle, exactly as the daily. But the thing that I need to touch on here is this: this area is very important support, is very important resistance to be reclaimed. Because by the way, if we somehow got into this level and accepted it, that means we have nothing stopping us from going to 70, 75, all of that, blah blah blah. So if we accept into it, we have very good room to go higher. Okay? Very good. Okay? We have almost no meaningful resistance except for the bands and these things. So once we break 69, it's so fucking easy. The thing is, if we close above this, if we accept and range into it, then close above it, it's going to be very good one. And equally, by the way, if we go to the other side and we range into it, and then impulse, we're gonna go to sweep the lows. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Do not overcomplicate it. It's very simple. Saylor selling Bitcoin is actually not a bad thing because he sold here, by the way. Let me remind you that Saylor sold here. And look at this. We're up only since then. Now he sold again at an average price of 64.2K, which means if it's going to be the same case, we should stay above that level. So if we're going to squeeze Saylor, if we're going to make Saylor regret his selling, we should stay above his 2 points of selling. He sold here and we're up. He sold here, we should be up as well. However, if this thesis is going to be invalidated, we will trade below it. Okay, so let's see until the CPI. The CPI is coming on Wednesday, Thursday. So, and PPI, of course, PPI inflation numbers. So, until then, we will see what the price is doing. And keep in mind 64.2K. It's very important level because it will determine whether we're going to punch Saylor farther and punish him for selling, or we're gonna finally go lower and lower and lower and make him feel like, oh yeah, thank God I sold here, now it's down. Because that wasn't the case here. Okay? That's what's worth watching. Okay? Stay safe, trade safely, do not be impulsive. If you want to learn how to analyze the charts, or if you want to see my analysis on the daily basis instead of having one video a week only, you could join my Telegram channel where I post my analysis every single day for free. I post 2 posts or even more, and I include my takeaway on the news, Saylor selling, the trendy news, all of that. So if you want to get in touch and be more closer to me, you can join my Telegram channel. Have a nice day. The Telegram channel link is in the description and in the first comment. See you there.